Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a GMC Sierra headlight. First, gather your essential tools, like a flathead screwdriver, and confirm you have the correct replacement headlight assembly. Always park your truck on a level surface and ensure the engine is completely off before you begin. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, let's remove the old headlight. Look for the two retaining pins located at the top of the headlight assembly. Carefully pull each pin straight up and out to release the unit. Once the pins are removed, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This action will give you easy access to the electrical connectors at the back, preparing for the next step. With the old assembly out, it's time for the new one. Disconnect the electrical connectors from the old headlight bulb and housing. Then, carefully connect the new headlight assembly to your vehicle's wiring harness, ensuring a secure fit. Once connected, slide the new assembly back into its mounting position, aligning it properly within the fender well for a snug fit. Finally, let's secure everything. Reinsert the two retaining pins back into their original positions, pushing them down firmly until they click into place. This ensures the new assembly is securely mounted. Turn on your truck and test the new headlight to confirm it functions correctly. Also, verify the beam's proper alignment and brightness for safe driving. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.